Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Ronel Alumping. So, I'm the third reporter or the last reporter of this topic. So, my topic is all about the objectives and strategies of the firms and electronics marketing channels. So, in an objective and strategies on firms of electronic marketing channel, the development of electronic marketing has brought a significant channels to show how these firms plan and implement their overall objectives and strategies. Unlike to those traditional marketing na they are the electronic channel, they are provided the companies with a broader and more flexible option for the distributing and promoting the product. And however, this advantages also introduce complexity in the decision that's making because of the business must be integrated into that technology and digital platform in their strategies. So in another way uh, in another way in the electronic marketing, ito yung nag-i-imply na when we the companies plan and also how they run their marketing strategies before businesses, makarelate sila doon sa mga physical store, and also yung para ma-adapt na yung mga traditional like traditional ads o advertisement kung paano makapag-promote ng product. Kasi ngayon in today digital platform like yung mga websites, links, 'di ba? Pina-post nila using our social media, bino-post nila through Facebook, through TikTok, through YouTube. And also then meron na rin mga online shop, 'di ba? Like sa TikTok yung mga basket, 'di ba? Kung saan tayo makapag-add to cart. So doon is inaalaw nila yung companies para maka-reach siya ng more customers and para ma-lower din nila yung cost ng those online channels para ma-help nila yung mga community kung maka-communicate sila directly doon sa mga buyer at saka para nang sa ganun makakuha sila ng mga feedbacks, 'di ba? Before we buy, 'di ba, nagkakaroon tayo on how we rate the product, 'di ba? Out of 1 to 10, 'di ba? Then para nang sa ganun, yung company nila is makapag-decide sila kung paano nila maibalance yung traditional at saka yung digital methods ng pagse-sale. Para nang sa ganun is yung goal ng isang company is ma-attract nila yung customers para nang sa ganun makapag-build sila ng trust or tiwala, 'di ba, ng pangmatagalan. So, dito tayo sa second slide. Itong second slide naman, it is the role of electronic channel in marketing. So, dito sa role of electronic marketing channels or we have a marketing mix, dito is meron tayong electronic marketing channels, the product which is yun dito na yung pumapasok yung prices, place, and also the promotion o yung mga 4P, diba? Dito sa electronic marketing channel, ito is makakapag-refine siya ng traditional marketing mix. So dito sa traditional marketing mix, nagkakaroon siya na dito na pumapasok yung sinatawag natin na tama ba? 4Ps, 'di ba? Dito na pumapasok yung 4Ps, which is yung electronic marketing sa products, yung online, halimbawa yung online sa online channel is hahayaan nila yung business para nang sa ganun is maipa-customize nila yung product base doon sa customer feedback at saka doon sa mga reviews nila. While yung price naman is dito pumapasok yung digital marketing. Yung digital marketing is marireduce nila yung operating cost para nang sa ganun is makapag-allow sila, yung ma-allow nila yung firms para nang sa ganun to offer more competitive prices and online discussion. Usually doon pumapasok. Dito naman sa place natin, yung place is as of now, dito mag-i-include yung online stores where the customers when the customers can buy anytime and anywhere, removing geographic limits. So, and the last one is yung promotion. Itong promotion naman natin is the online promotion uses social media, ads, influences, and email. But people now trust review from other customers more than more than the brand or yung the ads. So, yung customers nila is magkakaroon ng feedback para nang sa ganun makapag-place ng major rules paano bumili. Paano yung decision nila, paano sila bumili. So, in short, dito sa rule of electronic marketing and channel in marketing mix, so yung electronic marketing channel are mas essential in the business. So, mas siya ngayon, gamit siya o mas kakailanganin siya. Kasi dito is ito yung makakapag-help o makakatulong doon sa company para makapag-reach sila ng more customers, paano sila mag-operate ng maayos, and paano sila makapag-build ng stronger relationship doon sa mga customers nila and employees nila, and also para magiging successful yung firms of effectively yung mai-combine nila yung traditional at saka yung digital strategy while yung staying credible at saka yung responsive sila doon sa mga customers need o yung responsive sila sa customers needs. That will be all, and thank you.